APM, the brand of Hebei Zonghang Machinery Manufacturing. It means Advanced Productive Machine. Hebei Zonghang is new name for export, and the old name is Xinjiang Machinery Manufacture, which began to operate in 1983 and divided from our Army Machinery Factory in 1993. We are professional in wire mesh weaving machine and machine parts with Germany and Japanese technology for over 20 years old. Now, Hebei Zonghang is becoming the leader of wire mesh machine in China step by step. In Anping market, the biggest production base of wire mesh, 80% machines are from our factory. Our main objective, the success of our customers, the well-being of our company and its stakeholders, the protect of the environment, our company culture, to be credited, to be dedicated, to learn, to innovate. Our product system is divided into two parts: wire weaving machine and safeguarding mesh machine. Our wire weaving machine include shuttleless wire weaving looms, aluminum alloy screen mesh machine, crimped wire mesh machine, Our safeguarding mesh machine include welded wire mesh machine, chain link fence machine, razor barbed wire machine, our service, pre-sale service system, professional product consulting, excellent sales solution, prompt reply within 24 hours. After-sales service system, warranty period 2 years, strict calibration and debugging before shipping, overall technical training, spare parts supply in time. Our customer. Our head office is in Shijiazhuang, Hebei, China. And we have another name in India, APM Industries. Our factory is located in Greater Noida. So far, we have exported to India, Malaysia, Thailand, South Korea, Uzbekistan, Pakistan, Tajikistan, Argentina, Peru, Venezuela, Egypt, Qatar, Afghanistan, Tunisia, Zambia, and so on. If you want to be an outstanding manufacturer of wire mesh, we're just a reliable partner you're looking for.